pinch. You can pull and tug on them all you want, they are stuck. Hello and welcome back. I know I've been a little MIA since Vlogmas, but I took a very long family vacation. I just got back the other day, so until I get into the groove of things of filming some very exciting videos for 2024, I wanted to start off the year with a fun little lash video. Surprise, surprise, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply eyelash extensions to last you for 2 weeks, how to wash your face when you're wearing them, and how to remove them properly. You'll only need 4 simple ingredients for this technique. You can get all of these off of Amazon, links below of course. The application process is usually super quick. It takes me under 10 minutes to get it all completely done, sometimes 5 if I'm in a rush. I'm going to be using my Holy Grail product, the lash bond that I can never replace. It's the best one I've ever tried. My favorite clusters, they are so freaking affordable. They feel like real human hair, like they're just so light and soft on the eyes, but they also come in different styles and lengths. I use 14 and 12, and a tweezer. You can use any tweezer you'd like. This one's just the one that I like most. I start at the outer corners and I just apply the bond thoroughly on my natural lashes. Then I pick up a cluster with my tweezer, lift the lid, and apply. See how quick that is? It just sticks to the bond. And then you want to pinch a little bit. Then repeat with another cluster. Again, I'm using size 14 on the outer corners. And make sure you want to get it really close to the lash line and then pinch. Even if you touch the lash line, these clusters have a really thin, clear band, so it's going to be really light. You're not even going to feel anything. Add another cluster. And now we go and pinch all of them together. And because my eyes are small, I'll only be needing 1 more cluster in the inner corner. I'm applying some more bond. Applying the last cluster. Oops. Got some on my lid. But that's okay. Pinch. It's giving a cat eye look, and that's exactly how I like it. Lastly, most people will go in and add a seal to just lock everything in and make it last longer. However, I personally don't do that because this bond is so strong and good. I never seem to need a seal with it, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. This eye is basically done. See what a huge difference it makes? I'm gonna quickly do the same thing to this eye. Well, that was quick. Both eyes are done. These lashes are so durable. You can sleep with them just fine. You can wash your face with them just as you normally would. Just try not using oils around the eyes. But yes?
I came to give you them.
You can simply just wash your face with soap and water to retain their longevity. Ooh, got some in my eye. You can even swim in them and they will not come off. Let's do a quick look down check. When I'm looking down, there's no harsh band, it's all seamless. I don't recommend putting mascara on them at all. I've never done it, so I really don't know what would happen. And I do comb through them occasionally to make them look fresh and fluffy, especially after I wash my face. You can pull and tug on them all you want, they are stuck. The only way to take them off and remove them properly without hurting your natural lashes is with a lash remover. This one I believe is under $10 on Amazon and it lasts a pretty long time. It looks like this. It has like a plastic wand. The removal process is much more simple than you thought. This lash remover is very gentle. It doesn't burn your eyes or anything. All you do is basically brush it on top where your natural lashes are because that's what you coated with the bond. Doing the same to this eye. These are reusable clusters. After you remove them and clean them properly, you can reuse them up to 30 times. Now we wait for like a minute just to let the remover do its thing. Let's see if they are ready to come off. I'm not gonna lie, this is quite satisfying every single time. They literally just melt off. And now we're gonna go in with a little bit more remover and just brush it through the lashes. This is just to get any excess residue off also. Now we wait for another minute. Then I just go in with a Q-tip, brush through, and the rest of the bond is just coming off. Just keep going back and forth until the rest of the bond is completely removed. All gone. Now we're back to square one with no lashes. Oh, so sad. As for the clusters, I just put them in a little bowl with hot water and a little bit of dish soap and just let them soak in there. The remover solution that's already on them is gonna completely melt off any excess bond, and then you just take them out, lay them out to dry, and reapply them again and again and again. It's really that simple. This is great for beginners. You just can't mess this up. It always saves me so much time, money, and effort. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna go and reapply my lashes because I look naked right now. I wish you all have a happy, healthy new year, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.